Welcome to the University of GLMI's Fast 5 series. My name is Rachel Cahalan, and today we'll be discussing RAP billing errors. In order to quickly and efficiently bill out claims, it is important to understand each error that Ubiquity provides. In this presentation, we'll break down the causes of the RAP billing errors and provide simple resolutions to each. The most common RAP billing error is PPS not marked ready to RAP bill. This error is received on all recert RAPs, so the biller is required to verify the initial visit prior to billing the claim. To correct this error and bill the claim, select Billing from Ubiquity's main menu, then PPS Episode Maintenance. In the PPS Episode Maintenance window, check the RAP Ready box and click Update. Once this has been done, you can click the search list again to refresh. You'll notice an X will appear in the RAP Ready area on the top of your screen. The next billing error is no activity found for client PPS episode. The cause is that we are missing our first billable Medicare contact for the episode. To verify the contacts, select Contact from Ubiquity's main menu and then Inquire. Enter the patient's AR number to search for their contacts. If no contacts appear in this window, then one will need to be entered. You can also check that your insurance is entered correctly into the contact, as this will hold up your claim as well. The third error is that the PPS episode start of care does not match the first visit. This error is only valid for start of care RAPs. To fix the error, you will need to verify your start of care date and the first billable visit in contacts. To verify the start of care date, select Demographic from Ubiquity's main menu and then Update. After choosing your client, you'll see that you can verify the start of care date as shown on the demographic information page. If this does not match, it will need to be corrected. Now we'll need to verify that our first billable visit is on our start of care date. Select Contact from the main menu and then Update. You use the AR search field to find your client. Verify the first billable visit matches the start of care date. If not, either the contact needs to be corrected or earlier visits must be entered in order to bill. The next error is called the OASIS assessment not marked exported. This error is tricky in that Medicare only requires home health to have an OASIS locked prior to sending the RAP. We will now need to verify that our OASIS is locked. To verify that the OASIS is locked, select Billing from the main menu and then PPS Episode Maintenance. After finding your client, select the episode in question. Notice the red dot next to the assessment. This means that the episode is not ready to bill. Once the OASIS is locked, this indicator will turn green. The referral source not entered means that the referral source is either not entered in demographics or the code that was entered is invalid. To correct this error, select Demographic from the main menu and then Update. After selecting your client, notice on the Demographic Information tab, you'll see your referral source. Check that the referral source code has been entered and that it's valid. Another common error is the no OASIS assessment found covering episode. The cause of this error is typically a mismatch of dates in demographics, PPS episode maintenance, and the clinical assessment. First, verify the assessment from date in the clinical assessment screen is also the same as the start of care date in demographics. Now verify that your from date in PPS episode maintenance matches the dates in the clinical and demographic screens. If this date does not match, we can easily change it by highlighting the episode and changing the effective from date on the left-hand side of the screen and clicking Update. Once this is done, click on your episode again and the OASIS information should populate. As we look at the error Invalid Source of Admission code, we'll return back to the referral code in demographics. The admission code will automatically populate as we enter our referral source code in demographics. To correct the referral admission code, select Support from Ubiquity's main menu, then Referral Sources and Update. Select the referral source that was entered into demographics and then the admission code type from the drop-down menu. After fixing the referral source code, click OK. Our final RAP billing errors are the errors invalid UPIN and missing physician NPI. These are both easily corrected in the physician support file. To locate the physician support file, click Support from Ubiquity's main menu, then Physicians and Update. Then select the physician you'd like to update. Now we'll enter the physician ID as shown on the error sheet. Medicare has provided us the ability to enter generic UPIN number. That generic number is OTH000. Finally, we will want to enter the physician's NPI number, as this is required on every insurance claim. That concludes our session today on wrap billing errors. Thank you for joining us, and watch for next week's video on final billing errors.